gonna open Monster School High diary.
May I see the diary?
Yes, and this is a gift from my mommy. I love her.
It says Monster High. Create and design a cool book for your favorite memories.
And you're wondering why it's trying me and it doesn't do anything.
I
It
think-
needs more battery. That's why. We're gonna show the battery on the next video.
Yeah, we'll change the
Chapter
battery.
2.
I'll change the battery.
And
Oh.
chapter 2.
Show me the back.
Okay.
What does it say in the back? So here you go. It says, make it Clawsome activity journal. With this fantastic light-up journal, you can color and create the cover, use stickers to add photos, and decorate pages, answer fun questions, write about your life. So cool.
Alright.
Open it up.
Alright. Oh, it's been already opened. That's unusual. Alright, let's see if there's tape in here.
No, it's okay. You can open it.
Okay, where's it? Where's open? Oh, there we go. Let's take it out. Okay.
So what do you get exactly? You get a 60-page journal with light-up cover, 112 stickers, 4 markers, 1 glitter.
Why am I
Gel
ripping this
and-
off by accident?
It's okay, rip it off.
Yeah, 'cause-
You want help?
no thanks. Oh, I got it. Oh! There's papers.
Stickers.
This must be stickers.
Let's see the stickers.
Oh, it looks so cute.
So you
We're
got like
supposed to color this.
ooh, cool design.
And of course, there should be
And then
markers.
this one. This is the instruction.
Oh, this is stuck. Oh. Here are more stickers, and we're only allowed to use these colors.
How many markers you have? You're
Yeah,
supposed to
4.
have a 60-page journal, 4 markers, 1 glitter gel pen. Where's the glitter gel pen?
Here.
3 glitter sticker sheets, 1 metallic sticker sheets, and 2 sheets for sticker frame, and 1 metallic stud sticker sheet. So-
Look at these. Oh!
I think
looks
this is
so
the picture
cute.
frame.
I'm gonna show you how it looks.
Let's see. Show it.
It's so cute.
Open it. We have to change the battery. Is there a way to change the battery?
I have no idea.
Oh, I don't think so.
Wait.
Maybe Dada can fix it somehow. How's to light up anyway? This is press, right? Oh.
It's a press here. See? Well, I can't. Eesh.
It's okay, Dada will fix it.
Yep.
And what do you got?
You're supposed to use this. I know what this is for. It's for writing.
Let's see the pages. Is it just blank? Ah, okay, it has lines. And it has...
Oh, look this.
Oh.
Add photos of your monster family.
Oh, cool.
Ooh, this page is for
And this
photos.
is right about your amazing family.
Oh, look.
And how much do you really know those strange creatures called Mom and Dad? Do you know us really?
Yes, I know
Let's
you.
see the question. What is your mom or dad's spectacular favorite color?
Oh, my mommy's favorite color is everything. My daddy's favorite color is gray and blue.
And
gray
how
and
about
blue.
what
Let me
is your mom or dad's let's see, scarylicious food?
Oh, my mom is pork. I think it's pork and chicken. Because she's from Filipino. And my daddy is salad.
Salad.
Okay, let me We're gonna
Okay,
write later.
Write later. Let's see first.
In the next video.
What was your mom or dad's favorite toy? Oh.
You're.
And then here you have to add photos of your monster family.
Which means our real life family.
Write about your fantastic pets. You don't have a pet,
I want a pet kitten.
so you can just write about Buzz Booze.
Yeah, no, I want
Lizzie.
to write about my kitten.
Come here, come down here, so we can see it together. Come.
Okay. And I want to bring Pikachu. He's also my favorite Pokemon.
Let's see some more of the
Can Pikachu
questions.
be in
Where do
camera?
you fall on your
Pikachu.
golometer? So you have to answer this.
Pikachu.
Write about your
Oh, I remember
girlfriends.
I remember these monsters, but I forgot the names. I watched it once when in Monster High on YouTube.
Today, it's a good diary, Mama.
It's
Any
asking
thoughts
us
for
questions.
today?
And this one you can write whatever you want.
So now, pink. Oh, look at this. GFF's Forever, the ultimate girlfriends quiz.
Oh!
So you can ask Rania, Yasmin to answer.
My French. I know this is for
See,
writing.
see, this is your answer, and this one should be for your best
Pikachu.
friend's answer. So you have to pick who is your best friend. Who is your best friend?
Jocelyn and Sham.
Oops.
Jocelyn and Sham. There's two Shams. One my cousin. Oh, I have two. Both of Shams are my cousins. The Sham I have at school is my cousin, which is smaller than me, but older than me. And the one that's older than me and taller than me. They're both my cousins. But they hardly know it. But
Oh, and there's the blue side. What is the blue side for?
This one's Yas's favorite color.
Let's see
And
some
my
of the
daddy.
thing. Let's see. What's your future?
Oh,
cool.
so this is for when
What
you
is the start of the blue
pictures,
page?
pictures.
Show the first blue page exactly. What does it look like? No, the first blue page. Here, remember.
Here?
First blue page. See, this is pink, and then it become blue. So where did it start?
No, pinks. Oh, it started, Mom. It started here.
This is the first one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. First blue page. And then
We were
it
looking at
changed.
the end. We were looking at the end.
And then after the blue page, there's a purple one. Purple.
And then we go to pink. Yes. This book is so pretty.
Oh, look at this. Every girl has her own perfectly imperfect style, so you have to draw outfits that show yours.
Oh, I'm gonna show you this in another video. And by the way, my cousin has this book, right, Pikachu? I love this Pokemon.
Let's see some more.
Pikachu.
What is in your future? Let's see some of the purple pages. Describe your dream vacation.
Oh!
Look at this. Alter ego. Where it is.
Pikachu.
And how about this? Write about your most fantastic day.
I have so many fantastic days.
So basically, you have to answer all this.
And then the next
Describe your dream house. What's your goal name? Is it goal or ghoul?
goal name.
Write your new.
Mommy, in the other pink page, wherever, here, in the pink page, when we were here, remember? See, here is for whatever.
Yes.
So here's what for whatever.
Okay, let's see the last page of the book before we wrap up our video. What is the last page?
Purple!
And what does it say in the last? I will read this journal in blank years from now. So you can keep this journal, and then when you're way older, like you're 30, you can read it. So you know what you were when you were. How old are you now?
I'm 7!
7 years old.
And
So,
when I grow, it's
these
soon
are all
gonna
the
be my
pens.
birthday. It's so close being my birthday, but just 2 more months after, like June, July, August. My birthday is August 3, and since there's Corona, no party and no more people are coming to my birthday. So August 3 and the last August 30, which is gonna be our school day.
Okay, Yala, have fun with your diary.
Yeet.
Say bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. That was a quick video. Yeah? That was a quick video, yeah?
Not that quick. It's 10 minutes. So now what are you doing? Now you're designing your Monster High.
But I want to put my name so if I bring this to their house, they
You
will
can
not...
put, I think there's a page where you should write your name and stuff about you.
I'm going to write my name
Should be on the first
I'm going to write
page.
my name in this bat. I'm going to write my name in this bat.
Okay. That's your journal. Do what you want. But do it nicely, huh? Don't be in a hurry. Focus. So
I'm focusing
it will look
coloring
nice.
this. See, it looks nice because I'm focusing. And what did they make this journal out of? It feels wood. It feels like wood, Mommy.
Paper is made from wood. Yala, go.
Okay.
Look at me. Smile.
Mom, do you see live?
Coloring the star that shows you how you feel.
Let me get colors.
So after almost 2 years, we found the book again. She didn't get to answer a lot. Actually, only few I think she answered. So now she's gonna answer after 2 years. Today is... What's the day today? April? Anyway, it's April of 2022.
Your friend got in a part of a play you've been hoping for all year. You feel...
Happy answering. Write nicely. Because you will read this again after 2 years. Right now.
I'm gonna read it when I could become 19.
Okay.